Welcome back to my channel, lovelies. After a busy weekend of bridal makeup sessions and classes with my students, it's time to deep cleanse my makeup products, from my eyeshadow palettes to my brushes, lipstick and sponges. Everything needs a good cleanse. Let me show you exactly how I do it to keep my tools fresh and ready for the next job. Before we continue, please like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of my upcoming vlogs and tutorials. Let's dive right into it. I start with my eyeshadow palettes because they are always in constant use. So I gently wipe the surface of each pan with a tissue to remove any excess product or fallouts. Next, I spray a light mix of makeup sanitizer over the palette to disinfect it. It's important to sanitize regularly because we are working so close to the eyes. I also make sure to clean the outside of the palette with damp cloths. Gotta keep everything looking brand new. I'll go ahead and clean my powder palette and contour palette as well with the same process. Lipsticks come next. For each one I've used over the weekend, I always wipe off the top layer with a tissue to get rid of any product left behind. Then dip the lipstick tip into rubbing alcohol for a few seconds to sanitize it and let it air dry. For the pencils, I sharpen them to remove the used portion and give them a quick spray of sanitizer. This keeps everything clean and ready for the next client. Now the brushes, probably the most important part of the whole process. You can either use a product made specifically for brush washing, or you could use soap, shampoo, which is very gentle and has ingredients which won't irritate your skin. I rinse each brush under lukewarm water, being careful to avoid the handle. Then use a gentle brush cleanser and swirl the bristle to break down all the products built up. Once the brushes are clean, I squeeze out any excess water, reshape the bristle and lay them flat on a clean towel to dry. I always let them air dry to make sure they are completely dry before storing. Next up are my makeup sponges. These absorb a lot of products, so I make sure to deep cleanse them regularly. I soak them in a warm water and use a mild soap to cleanse them. I just keep squeezing the sponge until all the products washes out. And once they are clean, I leave them to air dry completely. These helps prevent any bacteria build up. Lastly, I wipe down all my foundation bottles, mascara tubes, and eyeliner with disinfectant wipes. Even the outer packaging needs cleansing because, let's be real, these tools go through a lot. Keeping everything clean not only helps with hygiene but also ensures your products last longer. So take your time, do not be in a hurry. Clean your makeup kits properly. This process is worth it. When you're done, you see that your products are looking so clean, refreshed, There's this joy that you derive when you do all of this. Take your time, girl. The makeup bags are not left out. Keeping your makeup tools and bags clean is essential for hygiene. Now that your makeup bags are clean, you can go ahead and organize your makeup products just as you would normally do, whether it's by product type, color, or how often you use them. A good organization system ensures everything is easy to find and keeps your kit looking professional and ready for the next gig. And that's it. My makeup kit is clean, fresh, and ready for my next client. Cleaning your products and tools regularly is so important, especially as a makeup artist. Not only does it keep everything sanitary, but also makes your makeup application look even better. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more behind the scene content and pro makeup tips. See you in the next one. Bye.